Hi, dear Aquarius. Very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is the journal love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 16 till the 22nd of Feb 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. So, overall energy for Aquarius people for this week regarding their love and relationship area. Let's see. We have the Five of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Four of Cups. You're upset. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups, but you're trying your best to stay connected with your heart, and you are trying your best to stay open to the idea of bringing something back to life. Okay. So there is some kind of chaos or conflict. There is some kind of feeling left out in the cold kind of a situation, and there is a mixture of lot of upset and sadness kind of energy regarding a situation. Maybe you're sad because you feel like you made the wrong choices in the past, or simply you are not able to cope up with a situation that's going south again and again and again. No matter, sorry, how hard you guys are trying to keep it balanced. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Aquarius. Seven of Wands. This is someone who feels very defensive right now. They feel like blocked in the situation somehow, or they feel like being defensive right now at this present moment, like fighting. Okay, let's clarify the Seven of Wands here as their feelings for you. We have the Five of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Cups. Yes, this person is feeling like there's a lot of drama. This situation is a lot of drama. And no matter how hard you guys try, this situation always becomes some kind of on and off, in and out kind of imbalanced kind of energy. This is not a good situation at all. This person is feeling like this situation brings a lot of drama and imbalance in their life, so they should keep themselves protected. And if you are going to say something, if you are going to do something, they are ready to fight for themselves, not for the situation, because according to them this is a huge drama show. Okay, like TV drama. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Three of Wands. You feel like keeping your energies moving forward, like one foot in, foot out of the situation, but mostly out. Like you are looking forward to have better opportunities, better days. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Wands. What's wrong with my, what we call this thing, uh, brightness thing? I don't know. Can somebody help? Like it keeps on moving, keeps on shifting. It's not stable. We have the Two of Wands and the Seven of Wands and Justice. Yes, you feel like waiting for the time when somebody's guards are going to be down, when somebody is going to be in the mood of balancing it out with you. For some of you, you might be going through some kind of divorce process or courtroom drama kind of a thing, and you guys are feeling like you should wait for the time when you're going to get the justice out of the situation, no matter how defensive the other person is or how hurtful their energies are right now. Okay, for others of you, you guys feel like just waiting and hoping for the universe to do justice with you and bring the balance back in your life, in your love life. Okay, with or without this person, mostly without. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aquarius? King of Wands. This person wants to take some kind, like this person wants to keep their pride and ego alive, and they want to wear their heart on their sleeves and take some kind of action in this direction. Like without thinking, without thinking about the consequences or about the result. This person wants to do something about the situation. Let's clarify the King of Wands as their intentions here. We have the Hierophant, the Sun, the Ace of Cups. This person wants to start a brand new chapter. They want to connect with the person who is going to be the one for you, who is going to get married to them. They are going to get settled with them. They want to look very beautiful, very attractive, and they want to start a brand new chapter with a brand new person. I'm so sorry to say that, Aquarius. This person is no longer wanting this situation to be healed or to work out or anything. They are in this energy of, okay, let me start looking for the right person, because Aquarius and me are not a good match. So they want to start a brand new chapter with a brand new person with whom they can see a future with, and they are ready to keep their pride and ego alive, like and be in this attractive energy of, okay, let's do it. Let's find the right person, as if they are going to get it in market or somewhere. I don't know, but they are ready to move forward and keep their energies open to the idea of connecting with the one that's the one for them. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Why this brightness thing keep on fluctuating? I don't know. I'm kind of not liking it. We have the 10 of cups from your side. Right now you want to surround yourself with a lot of happiness, with a lot of good people, good vibes, good energies, kind of a deal. Okay, let's clarify the 10 of cups. You want to be in this happy go lucky vibes, people who are really meaningful for you. Let's clarify the 10 of cups here. We have the Queen of Wands, the King of Pentacles, King of Swords, and reverse. Okay, you want to make this happen? Yeah. You are like, I know the differences that we guys have. I know that this person is totally different from me. They are totally different version of what I wanted them to be, but I don't want to be rude here. I don't want to hurt them. I don't want to hurt myself. I genuinely want to make this happen, make this situation work out in a beautiful and positive way. So one of you is looking for a new person, one of you genuinely wants the situation to work out. Till that time it's going to work out. That person who wants to make it work out wants to surround themselves with good people, good vibes, and good energies. Okay, they don't want to be rude, they don't want to hurt themselves or the other person here, and they definitely want to create a really beautiful, meaningful reality that's a long-term happiness, a happily ever after kind of a deal. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys, Aquarius, till the 22nd of Feb. Page of Wands. Okay, it's like okay, fresh energy, very fresh, very childlike, casual, flirting, fun, happy. Let's clarify the Page of Wands. It can be a new person, new energy, or it can be yours energy, Aquarius, where you guys are starting your life with this energy of okay, let's be kids again. Let's not take things too personally or too seriously. The Moon, the Wheel of Fortune, and the 7 of Cups. Yeah, it's like the whole situation between you guys is based on fears, insecurities, lot of secretive energies, lot of mysterious energies. Nothing is crystal clear, nothing is said, nothing is resolved properly, and you guys are trying your best to move ahead in your life. You guys are trying so many ways to keep on moving ahead in your lives individually, not regarding coming back together. This is happening inside of you guys. Lot of chaos, lot of confusion, lot of this energy of fear and insecurity of what the future holds for you guys, especially you guys, Aquarius. And then there is this energy of, on the outside there is this energy of, okay, let's go on coffee, let's have fun, calling your friends, text, like connecting with them, having fun, going on parties and everything, but feeling insecure and a little bit scared of what the future holds for you guys. Okay, it's like this whole situation is going to trigger your fears and insecurities, not to hurt you or harm you, or not to punish you, by the way, so that you can properly look into it, be aware of it, and release it properly, and be in this happy-go-lucky energy, actually, in actuality, in reality, right? But it is going to take you times for it is going to it is going to take you guys time to accept the reality, accept the situation, accept the triggers and the fears and insecurities, and then work on them properly. So for you guys, it's like you guys are using this mantra, fake it till you make it kind of a thing. From my side, nobody can tell that you are living in some kind of fear or insecurities, or you're not sure about future, you're confused. From inside, there's a lot going on. It's like layers upon layers upon layers. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week, Aquarius. We have the Nine of Cups and the Two of Cups and the Five of Cups, right? See, you guys are, I got some kind of same thing for another sign also in the guidance thing. You guys are trying to manipulate the universe into thinking you are happy, you are good to go, you are trying to manifest a soulmate. You are completely healed, you are done with everything from the past, and every trigger, every pain, every insecurity, every fear, everything is done, everything is healed, we are good to go. You're lying to the universe, you know. Lying to universe means lying to yourself. So you are lying to yourself by pretending to be happy, by pretending to be sorted and healed, even if you're not. And then you are blaming the whole divine for, where is my soulmate, where is the love of my life, where is the person that I'm meant to be with, where is the person, or why am I keep on attracting assholes again and again and again? What's the reason, universe? Give me the answers. I'm telling you, the reason here is that from inside of you, you don't trust that you have healed, you don't trust that you can attract that kind of person, because you haven't become that kind of person yourself. Once you are going to become your own soulmate, you actually don't need anybody on this planet earth. You will be able to attract it naturally and organically. But either you are still in that energy of fear and insecurity and you're lying to the whole divine about it, or whenever you go in a connection, you start repeating the same kind of patterns again and again and again, and then you get disappointed, like, why the hell it keeps on coming back to me, biting in my ass, on my ass, biting the ass, whatever. Again and again and again. I told you why. Work on it now. Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to love and relationship area, Aquarius. This portion also might or might not resonate with you. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. Just move forward, okay? So I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like to get it. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is listen to your intuition. It means when you pull this card, listen to your intuition, you already know the answer that you are looking for. It is calling you to develop and nurture your intuition. What answers lie within? This is also one of the cards that might come up if you keep asking the same question over and over. You know the answer already, and if you're lying to yourself continuously, then nobody can help you, Aquarius. That's the answer for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.